Okay, so we're doing like a quick recap. Okay. We are at our personal house. This will be the Jones house, party of 6. It is not so busted. It is now.
The details on the house, it is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. We're gonna be converting it and making it a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house by going up into the 2nd story.
When we went up into the attic and we saw that it was like 25 feet of attic space, which is insane. So we have plenty of space to add a 2nd story. But yeah, so this space will look completely different. Soak it in now, because it'll never look like this again. Justin's gym is going.
Get swole.
Apparently this guy's gonna be working out every day.
You hit like all my ab. This is gonna be the Iron Paradise Junior. After The Rock, he owns Iron Paradise. This is gonna be Iron Paradise Junior.
We are still waiting on permits. Permits are taking a really long time right now. It's like hurry up and wait.
I can get through this doorway too.
Hey guys, Stephanie and Justin here. We are at Jones, party of 6. It has been, how long have you been working on this?
At least 2 months. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of the structural stuff that we had to do in order to go up to the 2nd story is now completed. And the guys are starting to work up in the 2nd story, and it's getting exciting now because now we start having the subfloor on the 2nd level down.
You say exciting, I say like frightening. We had to cut these huge holes in our foundation. All of these support areas had to be like dug out, 4 by 4 by like 4 feet, like you could get into it. And since I'm so short, it was like—
It did, it looked like a little coffin.
They were digging my grave. We had to make the foundation stronger because if we're going up a 2nd story, you can't just lay it on the existing foundation. I mean, currently the foundation's what, like this deep? And so now it's poured like—
So the slab part was only 4 or 5 inches deep. Now they're 24, 36 inches deep.
With like
where we have
rebar.
these vertical supports going on.
So yeah, so a couple of setbacks we've had is COVID, and materials aren't coming in time, and you know, our workers are being delayed.
The window manufacturers are running 8 to 12 weeks, whereas normally they're 4 to 6 weeks. So we ordered windows and doors. The windows doors don't come in till the end of March 2021.
So fun.
And pushing us way out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pretty much have the house done and then put the windows and doors in, which is completely
Yay.
backwards.
So you just can drywall around it and then like finish it at the end.
You put a piece of plywood up, finish it.
This could go very fast. I have a feeling we're just gonna have like a water leak or something's gonna happen. Oh my gosh, Justin.
It rained last night. We found an active water leak, and this thing looks like it's been going on for a while because we've got that white fuzz going on, which is just nasty.
This is so nasty.
Yeah. Well, we got to take care of a water leak now.
So we are in the side where we blocked in the, sorry. So we are in the master suite, the side where we blocked in the slider door. We did this so that we could put our outdoor kitchen on the other side of it. We really wanted a space for that, and the space over there we'll show you a little bit later. This is our master suite, really big. We'll have a slider here, and then we're gonna have an entry point into the Iron Paradise Gym. Junior.
We still have temporary walls in. That's why me and her kind of just hanging on these, having a little bit of fun. Yeah.
All right, so we're talking outdoor kitchen now. So this originally was all the way up to here, and it was an unused space back here. I mean, completely wasted. A lot of our neighbors have used it for hot tubs, but Justin and I aren't really hot tub people. Plus, if you notice above me, there is a complete open space here. So if it rains, I mean, your hot tub's getting rained on and it's just in the outdoors. So I decided to cut it down. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna run a tabletop here, or a countertop here, and put bar stools behind it because the outdoor kitchen is gonna be right there. Justin's favorite part.
So we blocked in the wall to the master bedroom that was here. And when we blocked it in, we started laying this out, and it was roughly about 16.5 feet long. So starting from over in this area, we just did a basic cabinet for storage. It's right next to a 40-inch grill. So we've got 5-6 burners going on. Then we've got a griddle, because me and her like the hibachi aspect of it. So we've got the griddle and then a 2-burner. And then over the whole entire thing, we bought a 6-foot hood. That way it can suck all the smoke and everything out of the space.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of like natural ventilation here because this is all under porch. We wanted to really make sure it vented out well instead of creating a big problem. We are in the master suite bathroom, which actually I've heard that you're not allowed to call it the master suite anymore because you can't use the word master. Anyways, we are in the big bathroom. So we kind of laid out the floor plan for the vanity. You can see the toilet over here. It is a pipe sticking out for Justin's bougie toilet.
That's all I need is a pipe sticking out of the concrete.
Yeah, we just decided to go a little bit cheaper and just keep a big pipe there so that, yeah, we had some cutbacks because we went really extravagant with his 13-foot shower that he had to have.
So if you can picture a shower basically from here to about right there with a couple double heads, the shower is going to be absolutely amazing. It's going to be like an adult spray park.
You make things so weird. But Justin wants a bidet there, so we're gonna try out a bidet. We've never had one. And since we've had a toilet paper crisis this year, we're just thinking ahead and doing a bidet.
We can't use master anymore, so we got to do the ensuite, which is like Canadian French. So in honor of Canadian French, we're doing the bidet.
What are you talking about?
It'll be there. I know bidet is French.
Bidet.
It's like baguette.
Oh my God, oh stop, cut. Please just walk away. All right, we are in the kitchen. This has probably been the biggest transformation. We had to create some major load-bearing points, which changed the layout of our kitchen quite a bit. But I wanna kind of walk through the kitchen in this phase because the next phase that's about to happen is gonna be just like, you'll really start to see it come to life. Back in this area here is going to be like our fridge wall. One fridge has kind of been, it's outgrown, we've outgrown it quite a bit and I'm having to shop a lot more frequently. And so in order to kind of take that away, I've decided to do 2 fridges and then like a coffee area / microwave right in the middle here. This whole area here will be open. You can see a temporary wall there now, but it'll be gone and it'll just be cabinetry. And as we come down here, we then start another set of cabinetry right here. So the doorway is gonna have cabinetry on either side. This is where our main dishwasher will be. And you can kind of see here, the window will be here. And under this window, I'm gonna put some little boxes that I can put all of our fresh produce, onions, and just these really easy, quick grab places that become kind of a hassle at our current house. So you can kind of see the X's on all of this framing. These are gone. They're just temporary supports right now, and obviously all that we just walked through is temporary supports. This is the huge island. So on this side, facing the living room is just gonna be storage. There's gonna be cabinetry. We were gonna put a bar there, but I don't think that we would utilize it. My kids would only utilize a bar if it was like facing the TV. And since the TV is facing that way and the bar would be facing this way, we decided not to use a bar. So we're just gonna keep it storage. So yeah, so that's our kitchen. It's gonna be a huge transformation. I'm really excited because it's a giant kitchen, but I think it'll be like the heart of the home.